Hello and welcome to this Item UI tutorial. Today I will show you how to create a product. Hello, this video is to show you how to create a new product. First go to Modules, then Settings, and then Products. On this page, you can add the item manually or import the item. To add an item manually, just click on Add Item. In the item ID, type in the item and the item names. Let's say I create a computer. The description is, for shipping, there are 5 different shipping routes that you can select. For the UPC, you can choose the UPC or the case UPC. There's also an option for a serial number. If you want to collect any lot number, expiration date, shelf life, or manufacturing date from receiving, you can turn this on. You can also upload a picture of the item. Once you are done, click on Save. If you want to add more information to the item, you can go to Advanced Mode. On the item page, under UOM, Unit of Measure, you can change the size of the product. Right now, it is set to 1 each equals 1 case. You can choose another option, such as 1 item each inside 1 case. Once you submit it, you can see the item has been created. If you want to upload the item, go to Admin, then Data Import, and then Import Item. First, download the template. In the template, everything highlighted in yellow needs to be filled in with the information. One thing to note is the customer ID. You can find the customer ID under Settings, then Organization. This is the customer ID. Go back to the import page. Once you finish adding your product, upload the file and click on Submit. If it shows a failed item, that's okay. If you go back to the product page, you will see the item that you just uploaded. Thanks for watching. If you would like to learn more about other item applications, please take a look at our expansive library of tutorial content.